Alright guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new, make sure to hit that like and subscribe. And today we're going to install our turbo and our exhaust manifold that we got for it and our wastegate. So there's a little delay. I haven't posted in a while due to shipping. I ordered a different turbo, never got it for like over a month, so I had to make a case with my bank. So that was the whole reason why I never was able to do any uploads for you guys. But got some parts here, thank God. Got some more parts coming tomorrow for our intake side, our intake manifold side, aftermarket one. So you guys should be able to see that video tomorrow, if anything. And yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up. Don't want to do too much talking. Just get it right into action here and get this thing all installed. Should be a short video, not too long, but nonetheless, we're getting close to finishing this build. I just need to get a transmission, clutch kit, flywheel, and then we can get this motor into the Supra and get it sent to get our harness done, and we can see how this car runs. I'm thinking about getting some 440cc injectors or 550cc injectors because I am running a aftermarket upgraded fuel pump. So, but I'm gonna run stock just to kind of see how the motor itself runs, if there's any knock, if it even starts, whatever the issue might be. That way I don't dump money into a motor that needs either, you know, rods or pistons or something like that. So that way I can have money put aside for just in case anything else happens. And trying to help you guys out, I will also put a list of the parts I use, where to buy your turbo, all the stuff I'm using. And I mean, it's not expensive, it's pretty cheap, but if you're building your 2JZ, the only part you're gonna have to spend money on, you can't really cheap out on, is your fuel pump. Not your fuel pump, I mean your oil pump, your head gasket, your timing kit, your water pump, your thermostat, things like that you really can't cheap on, because you know, the last thing you want is to get cheap parts and it fails real quick. So that's going to be the most expensive part there. And then, you know, the eBay manifold, and the turbo is not, it's from VSracing. So I heard some good stuff on them, and it's not a CX Racing turbo for one. There's videos on it as well. I'll put some link, I guess, if you guys want to check it out. But they have a sale for $350 for that turbo, so you guys definitely want to hop onto that. But let's get to the video. It's been a long intro right there. Let's do it. Alright guys, so as you can tell, turbo's on and installed. It's pretty simple, but there's a couple things I am gonna have to get rid of here. Is this gaskets. This one's I'm not a fan of. I did use this before on my 1JZ GTE single turbo that I did build. This gaskets are basically garbage because they always tend to blow right in the middle, and you have a lot of exhaust leak and or boost leak, as you can tell I'm using it down here. So yeah, I have to order some of this and replace it. You know, better safe than sorry. Don't have any boost leaks. And this dump pipe here, I'm gonna have to figure something out here because it needs to be facing straight down, not at an angle. It's gonna be hitting the firewall and the SUPRA, so I highly doubt that's gonna work. I'm not too sure. I have to look at some photos of how my old one was, how I had it routed on my 1JZ. I'm more than positive it was straight down, but nonetheless, just got to replace some of that. But the motor's looking good. Yeah, we're getting there. So tomorrow, hopefully we get our intake set up as well, and then we can move on to our transmission stuff. But nonetheless, we're getting there. We're almost done. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video today. It's kind of short. You guys can leave a like, a subscribe, help grow the channel. And yeah, so like I said, I'll leave a link down for this turbo and kind of everything I used here. So, and I am looking for a right side valve cover because I have this damage right here. Gonna need to replace this whole thing, and then I work on painting the valve covers. So I might go red, or I'm not too sure, red or black or purple is kind of like the three colors I'm on. I might also spray paint this fuel rail as well. So, but nonetheless, I'm happy stuff is going. Finally got some stuff being mailed to me. Gonna have to install the alternator and the power steering pump, and we're not gonna run AC on this build, so it'd be cool. I might think about it, but I'm not too sure yet. And all our oil lines for our turbo, we're gonna make those when we're doing the harness. So once the motor's in the car and it's sent to the shop, we're gonna have all our lines made, and while we're getting our harness made. And then hopefully we can fire this thing up, see how it runs. And yeah, so I can't wait to hear it. I'm sure you guys can't wait to see if the motor is any good. Keep in mind, this was like a cheap motor. This was like, what did I pay for this? 230 something, free shipping. It was guaranteed running motor, blah, 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 blah. It's on eBay. You know, with eBay, it's a hit or miss. Okay, so that's why I said we're going to have fun with this. If anything is wrong with it, then we can really actually dump some money into it. And this is cheaper to rebuild than if you were to go buy a 2JZ GTE right now. Even the VVTi, you guys are going to be, I mean, they're asking for close to 10,000, 6,000 to 10 right now for this motors. Not the GE, but the GTE ones. It's pretty expensive. So, I mean, I would rather not dump 10,000 on a motor or 6,000 on a motor when I can just have the block rebuilt with forged pistons. And, you know, aim for higher boost. So that's what I'm saying. This would just be fun, build for now, and we'll just go from there, you know. But hopefully I'm just trying to help some of you guys who are planning to do the same, kind of the same setup or same idea as what I'm going for. And, you know, show you guys, you know, you don't have to like spend a lot of money to get this thing set up and running in your car. But yeah, again, if you guys like the video, hit the like, subscribe. Thank you. I'll catch you guys hopefully tomorrow on the intake side install. And yeah, you guys have a good night. Be safe. Peace.